Okay, standing precariously on a $30 ladder I got from Lowe's on the stairs, very small stairs, you see it's where it's bowing, replacing a light fixture. Scared shitless. Definitely scared shitless. Scared of heights. And I'm not on the top rung, which I've done that before, but not standing on stairs with a ladder. It's like taking a ladder and then sticking another ladder on top of it and trying to balance it. Okay, pulled the light off. You see your common, your power, and your ground. Make sure your light switch is off before you start messing around with wiring. Okay, got the light hung by the wires. Told my wife it'd be like a chandelier. When you're doing wiring, it's a good thing to use wire nuts and don't use electrical tape. They're quick. You just twist them on and you're good. But I think a redneck chandelier would be perfect. Standing there, there's the second thing of stairs. Going up, I'm gonna hang the curtain back up. But I think it's a redneck chandelier. So works, wired up great. Where's Mom?
Downstairs.
Honey! What do you think? Redneck chandelier? You like this?
Yeah. No.
No? Okay, we'll finish it then. Yeah. Just noticed to get this ladder in here, look at the legs, they're bent legs, both of them. Making me sweat every time I go up this ladder. Here we go. Okay, it took me 11 years to actually get this light in. You see the other one there? Well, 11 years later, finally stuck this one in. Finally got the courage to get up on a ladder, put the light in, and you know, when the other lights, I stuck them up, it was incandescent bulbs, and now we're at LED. So, we are done. Whew. I just put the housing on and be done with it. Putting the light in and doing the wiring. The curtain's up. I might tighten that screw on the other side of the curtain. But yeah, ladder on stairs. Nerve-wracking.